Here we come to the elevator at the Gittings building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a late install, but this is a clean install. This is hydraulic, and it's coming up from the basement.
I don't know if this is generic or this might be a last gen Hotchkiss.
Yeah, this was installed in the 2000s. Let's get our cab view.
There's AC in the elevator.
You can view up the shaft a little bit. There's an exhaust vent. That's where the AC comes out of, the condenser. Very nice cab. Capacity 3,500 pounds.
Oh, it's a last model Hotchkiss.
Yep, it's from the early 2000s. Let's go down to B. And that indicator is glitched out. It's not supposed to be like that. Here we are on B. There's some sort of wiring fault. Hotchkiss elevator. This is a early 2000s. All right, and here we are on B. Let's ring the bell. No bell on the basement level, but let's go up to 2. We'll listen to the motor. Here we are on 2, and we'll ring the bell one more time. Definitely installed in the early 2000s. Let's go down to 1. And the door closes when you push the button. EPCO fixtures, EPCO fire service, EPCO SurvivorPlus Vandal resistant fixtures. Here we are on 1. ADA compliant phone built into the car station, COP, and here we are on 1. All right. And here it goes.
You actually see the electric eye.
Oh yeah, you can see the electric eye too. Here it goes. And that's it.